the first impression of the Evoque gem, and I was like, oh, it looks like a Hivee. So let's just show you, because it's always nice to have side by sides. This, I gotta go get it. If you can't make it to the showroom, which we have everything here, then let's do some comparisons in what I call the Vespa style e-bike or scooter style e-bike. But the word scooter is used for everything. This is a scooter, that's a scooter, everything's a scooter. Vespa style feet in front scooter. I'm 5'3", just very comfortable. It would be a hard choice to pick between this, which is a 60 volt, 23 amp hour graphene lead acid. So it's your step above. It is $23.49. And so if we compare a 60 volt Merona from Emmo, which one would you choose? Which one feels good? Which one feels better? I personally like the shape of the seat on the Gem compared to the Merona. I love the style of the Merona, but these bikes are so similar, it's not even funny. But the seats are different. This one's a little bit wider, but they're 60 volt. This one is $21.99. So we're talking about $150 difference between the two. And I'm gonna pull up the Emmo Hivee as well, which is also $21.99. So $21.99, $21.99, $23.49. Okay, so you're gonna pay a little bit more for the Gem. Why? Well, I think it's just got some more upgrades. It's obviously got some better lighting. It's got a much better screen, cruise control. I can't get over the fact that they're putting cell phone holders on it. It's very thoughtful. I think when you're in this category, you're looking for style. I mean, obviously it's comfortable, but if you're just going for like something to buy, well then you get the Emmo Hornet. And no offense, but it's a little ugly. I said it, but this is much more popular with guys, I would say. But this thing's incredible because you can get like 13 different batteries on it and dual batteries, so you can't touch the Hornet. The Hornet is in its own category. But then when you're looking at these kinds, you're looking for style. Do you like the style of the Zoomy, right? This one's a 72 volt, it's bigger, you can put two people on it. But this one, you're just gonna absolutely love this color, or you're gonna love this color, or hate these lights, love these lights, this kind of thing. So let's get, as I talk so much, I guess that's my job here though, right? We've got to bring up the Hivee, the Emmo Hivee. Which one do you buy? Right now, I think people are gonna buy the Hivee because it's like $600 off. I would, for 600 bucks. But I'll tell you, I don't like the seat as much. It's all about the seats, right? Your bum and the seat, how do they go? This seat is much wider, but it's got a pointier front. But when you sit on it, your legs go wider, right? So I'm flat-footed, got a very wide-legged stance, but it's fine, my feet touch the ground. And then these seats look like they're the same size, they absolutely do, but my butt says no, they're different. They feel different. Nice and light. All right, now let's go to the Merona. Yeah, it's a little bit wider at the front, minor details, but you feel the difference. So seats matter, they're all the same height, they're all the same tires. This one, the Hivee, obviously has no storage. Like I would like the option to put a tailgate on the back. Turn the brake on. Let's look at the gauges. On the Merona, on the Evoque Gem, your Hivee, which is a little more basic. They all are giving you the same information. None of them have voltage reading, which I would like. Now, let's check out some lights. How's that look? See, when the lights are on, I like the front of the Hivee. That's actually quite nice. Okay, I'll pick apart. I don't like the rims on the Gem. Try not to pick it apart, but I don't like the rims. I'm sure the quality is fine, but just for looks wise, it's kind of, it looks like just plain old steel, but it is nice and coated. I like the kickstand better on the Gem. Signal lights. Let's do the signal lights next. Oh, point for the Gem on that. Those are nice and bright. How are the signals on the back? For me, point for the Hivee. You want bright. It'd be cool if we could just take like the lights from this one, the rims from this one, the tail lights. They're all fine. They're all just a little different. So we ship these across Canada, not the US right now with the tariffs, but these ship across Canada. When you get it, there is some assembly to them, but we'll help walk you through it. There's some assembly videos on them as well, so it's not too hard, but I would definitely have a friend help you. And if you've decided between the three of these, we really hope that we earn your business because we work really hard on setting aside time to do these videos through my true thoughts on things, especially when they first come in. You want your first impression on stuff. So yeah, if you have any questions, obviously comment. Yeah, thanks.